Hello friends, today we will learn about 20 vegetables. So let's start with the tiny tutors. Hi, I am Onion. I am cauliflower. I am brinjal. I am ladyfinger. I am capsicum. I am carrot. I am tomato. I am spinach. I am potato. We are green peas. We are mushrooms. Hi, I am bitter gourd. Hi, I am broccoli. Hi, I am pumpkin. I am turnip. Hi, I am cabbage. Hey, I am bottle gourd. I am cucumber. We are green beans. I am jackfruit. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Tiny Tutors.